The best investment that you can make is in yourself, okay? And if you've been looking for something, a sign to get started with digital marketing, baby, this is it. I'm gonna tell you how I made over $5,000 in 7 days from digital marketing. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber Sharnice. If you are new here, definitely go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below of what you think about this video. And also be sure to binge watch my videos. And once you realize that you love me, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title of today's video, I'm going to tell you how I made over $5,000 in 7 days from digital marketing. Definitely stay tuned. We're gonna get straight into the video. If you guys wanna know a little bit more of my backstory about my digital marketing journey, definitely check out my 2 previous videos I have up on my channel. And they're all about my digital marketing journey, how I got started, everything like that. Let's go ahead and jump right into the 6 steps I took in order to make $5,000 with digital products in 7 days. So first things first, the first thing I did is I took a course that taught me all about creating a digital product business. So within this course, it taught me how to create digital products, how to market digital products, how to brand myself in the digital product spaces. I also learned a lot about targeting an audience and creating a vision for yourself. So that course pretty much taught me the fundamentals and the strategies. Now there's a lot of courses out there that are teaching people exactly how to go in and make digital products in Canva and ChatGPT and all the things, right? So even though that information is important, you really want to find a course that's going to help you make money, regardless of whether you decide to sell your own products or to sell products that are already made. So for me, step number 2 was the obvious, and it was also one of the reasons why I chose this particular course, which is the Digital Wealth Academy. I purchased this course because one, not only did it teach me about creating the digital product and the branding and the marketing and the strategies and all that, but what really sold me on this particular course is that this course contains MRR. So I know a lot of y'all are like, girl, what's MRR? What's MRR? So let me tell you what MRR is. MRR stands for Master Resale Rights. This means the moment that I purchased the course, I also obtained the rights to this course, which means I can distribute this course and earn 100% profit from it. I took a course that taught me all about this business. And instead of me taking weeks to actually create my own digital products, I just resold the course. Y'all, this course comes with a wealth of knowledge. If you have a business that isn't currently on social media, or if you have a business that's on social media that's not doing really well, and you don't really know how to engage with your audience and your followers and how, or to run your social media, this course is perfect for that. So there's so many different reasons why you could buy the course. But for me, what really made me buy the course is because of those MRR rights. Another thing about this course, it is considered to be a high ticket course, which means, of course, the more high ticket products you sell, the less of these products that you have to sell in order to make a decent amount of money. The sellers of this course have been able to scale so much that we're able to charge way more. There are people selling this course for $597. There's people out here selling this course for $699, for $799, for $899. However, I choose to only sell my course for the base minimum price. So the third thing I did is I started promoting my business. And the way that I do that is by creating low effort reels on Instagram, y'all. Yes, so pretty much it could be me washing the dishes. It could be a video of me walking around looking cute. I even sometimes use content from content banks where I'm not even in the video at all. It could just be some B-roll footage of a computer or a cup of coffee, whatever it is. So what I'm doing, you guys, is I'm creating 5 to 7 second reels on Instagram while using some of the trending audios, putting some very appealing hooks and text on the screen in order to make people stay there a little bit longer. And because I'm able to grasp the concept of a really good hook, people are staying on my Instagram a little bit longer, which means Instagram pushes out my content a little bit more, which means I'm getting new eyes on my content. The more eyes that you have in this content, the better chance you have at gaining a customer. Although Instagram is my main platform, I do post a little bit on TikTok. I do post a little bit over on Facebook. And what I do, you guys, is I make sure that when I'm creating these reels, creating these hooks, creating this text, that I am telling my authentic story. It's something about people connecting with you based upon your personality and who you are and what you've been through, and they just being able to see somebody go from point A to point Z. And that helps build community, it helps build relationships, and it helps build trust within my audience. So I make sure that I am always coming to you as real as I know how. Ain't no fake stuff over here. Period. And we're also going to couple that in on point 3 is I use Instagram stories to really sell to my clients. So I get viewers and I get people that are new to my page every single day by creating these reels. And once those people decide to follow me, I understand that they're interested in whatever it is that I have to offer, which means I create Instagram stories. Typically, I'm like 6 to 10 stories a day, and I make sure that I'm providing knowledge. I make sure that I am building relationships in my Instagram stories, and that also helps me land my sales. The fourth thing I did in order to earn $5,000 in 7 days, I just can't believe that, y'all, this is insane, is I offer freebies. Okay, so I have 2 freebies which you guys can see that are linked down below. One gives you 30 digital product ideas, and the other gives you a 7-day email funnel for MRR products. These 2 topics are high and they're in demand, and people want that knowledge, and what better way to give it to them for free in exchange for their email. So I have my system automated to set up emails that go out to them every couple of days just to touch bases with them, try to deepen our relationship. And most of the time, those emails convert to sales for me. So offering my freebies for my email marketing is one of the best decisions that I followed through with, because originally I wasn't going to do it. And I remembered how important having an email list is, period. Because y'all remember Instagram and Facebook and everything just went down not too long ago. And I had my email list to communicate with all of customers. So it's very important to have an email list. And in order to get that email list, I offer freebies. Number 5 is I maximize my promotion. And no, I don't mean by like ads or anything like that. I decided to introduce my digital products to my YouTube platform. And you guys know YouTube is basically Google's search engine in video form. People are on the internet every day trying to figure out ways to make extra money, how to make extra income to feed their families, to do whatever it is that they need to do. And by me making a video that is of a hot topic as it is right now, and putting that on YouTube was the best decision, was the best idea that I came up with. Now, you have to know certain things. Videos about money are always evergreen on YouTube, so people are always watching them. Most likely, you're going to get your views as long as you're using the right keywords and the right tags. You're using your SEO to maximize your viewing potential on your video. And you guys, I was able to triple my reach as far as with my Instagram and my YouTube to gain customers. And again, all you're doing is showing up online, being authentic, telling your story, giving your testimonial, and letting other people know that there are ways to make money. You don't have to struggle, because this is real, y'all. Just in the beginning of January, my husband and I sat down, we said we have to figure out a way to earn some extra cash, to pay off our debts so we can actually enjoy our paycheck, so we can enjoy our life and travel and do things with our kids. And you guys, 28 days later, on January the 28th, I was like, you know what? I'm going to do this digital marketing thing. You guys, today is March the 9th. I've been in digital marketing now, I believe, 42 days, something like that. And I have made over $9,000 and 41 days doing digital marketing. That is absolutely insane. I don't even make $9,000 a month from my job. It's absolutely amazing. And you just got to think about it. If you do have a 9-to-5, if you do have other side hustles, this could be the one that is just passively doing its own thing, earning you plenty of money and melting away your financial stresses. Okay. And number 6, the last thing, the most important thing I believe that I did out of all of the things that I mentioned to you, I targeted the exact people that I'm looking for. I was able to land sales. And what I mean by this is when you're starting a business, you're starting a platform or anything, you have to know exactly who your target audience is. You can't appeal to everybody, because once you try to appeal to everybody, you're going to reach no one. Hone in on exactly who it is that you are selling to. Okay. Once I truly established who my target audience was, it became so easy for me to find those people, to find my people, and to let them know what this particular product can do for them by relaying the benefits of the course. So those are the things that I changed in the month of March, and they were the reason why I believe I was able to make $5,000 already, and we are on day 8. The month is not over with. So if you want the opportunity to make income the same way that I'm making income off of selling digital products, I definitely recommend that you take the same exact course that I took, which is the Digital Wealth Academy. And of course, I'm going to link it in the description box below, you guys. And even if you're not quite the course taking person, or you'd rather just get started right away, I recommend that you check out my Done For You digital product bundle. You guys, my digital product bundle contains 6 digital products that are already made for you. All you have to do is go in, change the colors, the fonts, the text if you want, and you can resell these products for whatever price that you want to sell it for, and you're going to get your 100% profit back on that. So you can go in there and sell each of those digital products for $99, $100, $200 a piece. It just depends on what you feel is appropriate for each of the digital products, and you can make your money that way instead of actually taking the course and reselling the course if that's not quite what you want to do. I also recommend for anyone who's interested in digital products and you're ready to start selling, but you don't know quite what platform to sell on, definitely go for Stand Store. Stand Store is amazing. They don't charge any additional fees other than your monthly fee. Of course, you connect whatever payment merchant that you want to do. I use Stripe, and it's been pretty great to me. I'm able to cash out whenever I make a sale, and it's available in my bank account in minutes. Okay. So I definitely recommend Stand Store. I also have a 14-day free trial. There's a link in the description box below. Check it out. See if that's something that you like. And if so, I definitely recommend. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope the tips that I left in the video were helpful and it helps you get somewhere in your digital product business. Again, if you're ready to start your journey, if you're ready to have that extra income to make ends meet, to go out to dinner, to take your kids out, to do a date night with their boo, with your bae, go on vacation, come from behind the chair from my beauty service providers. Digital products are definitely the new wave. They are not going anywhere too soon. And the number one thing that people ask me is the digital product marketing sector, is it oversaturated? Absolutely not, because there's someone for everyone. Everybody has their own story to tell, and someone is going to resonate with your story. And because you are who you are, that person is going to purchase from you. So no, this market is not oversaturated. Get in where you fit in. I wish you guys all the best. The best investment that you can make is in yourself. Okay. And if you've been looking for something, a sign to get started with digital marketing, baby, this is it. Thank y'all again so much for tuning into the channel and watching this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Feel free to follow me on Instagram at Amber Shawnice. And if you have any questions about digital marketing, leave them down in the comment section below, or hit me up in my DMs on Instagram. They're always open. And again, if you are new to this channel, definitely binge watch all of my videos. And once you've done that and you realize that you love me, subscribe to the channel. Peace.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, chase beach views in the